Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming essentials: your FC Mobile account email, login credentials, and whether two-factor authentication is enabled. Once done, open the FC Mobile app and navigate to Settings, then Account, then Link Accounts. This is where the process starts. Make sure you have the device with a stable internet connection and any backup codes handy. Otherwise, the link will fail. Now tap the platform you want to link and follow the in-app prompts to request a linking token. Next, you receive a one-time linking token, usually 6 or 8 digits, either inside the app or by email. Once you have it, switch to the target platform, open its account linkage page, and enter the token promptly because tokens expire quickly. After entry, the system will show requested permissions. Read them because these control sharing between accounts. Tap Authorize to continue. If you enabled 2FA, you may need to approve a push or enter a code to complete authorization. Finally, verify the link by returning to FC Mobile settings, then Account, then Linked Accounts. You should see the new platform listed. If the link fails, clear the app cache, retry the flow, or switch networks or devices. Sometimes firewalls block requests. Also, revoke any stale links on both sides and request a fresh token. Ensure device time and time zone are correct, because time drift can invalidate tokens. If problems persist, use backup codes or temporarily disable 2FA while linking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.